In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple designs in Canva. If your projects are piling up and you want to clean house quickly, this walkthrough will help you batch remove designs in just a few clicks, without hunting through menus or opening files one by one. Start from the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you first open Canva, where your recent work and shortcuts appear. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical sidebar. Look for the small folder icon labeled Projects. This section is where all your designs, uploads, and folders live. Go ahead and open Projects to see your items in a grid or list view. You should now see your designs. To select more than one, hover your mouse over a design thumbnail. As you hover, a small checkbox appears on the design card. Click that checkbox to select it. You'll notice that once you select one item, you can hover and check more designs the same way. Take a moment to scroll and select everything you want to remove. If you accidentally select the wrong design, just click its checkbox again to deselect it. You can also pause and hover briefly if the checkbox doesn't show up right away, as some views reveal it only on hover to keep the interface clean. As soon as you select at least one design, a context toolbar appears along the bottom of the screen. This bar gives you quick actions for whatever you've selected, and it will also show you how many items are currently selected, which is a helpful confirmation before you delete anything. Review your selection count to make sure it matches what you intended. When you're ready, find the trash icon in that bottom toolbar and click it. That's the delete action for the selected designs. Canva will apply the delete to everything you checked in one go, saving you a lot of time. If you changed your mind right before clicking, you can simply uncheck items from your selection and the toolbar will update instantly. And that's it. You've opened your projects, hovered to reveal checkboxes, selected multiple designs, and used the context toolbar to delete them all at once. This method is quick, consistent across most views, and ideal for routine cleanups. If you're organizing as you go, consider selecting in small batches so you can review the count before deleting. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tidy up your workspace, feel free to replay any section and follow along step by step while you clean your projects.